ELROND is a mechanized representative that has essentially affected the advanced currency market. This isn't anything startling that people are enthusiastic about egld cost conjecture. The upwards design started on 14th walk when the coin was trading at 134, and the crypto pair has shown a tremendous execution from there on out. By steadily covering the arrive at upwards, the expense has arrived at 190 on 23 walk 2022. Which is the last month's unquestionable level. The crypto market's bullish energy is strong, as egld has procured basic worth transient by and large. The expense design line is still downwards anyway. Bulls have been staying aware of the expense level over 190 and deal with a span as much as 204 2 or 3 months earlier. Breaking the expense over the 200 mental engraving is all things considered an accomplishment for egld bulls in current pessimistic business areas. Each shrewd monetary sponsor understands that you want to contemplate the destiny of a modernized asset preceding placing assets into it at any rate. What does ELROND computerized cash hold from this point forward? Is it an insightful endeavor? What will be its base expense and generally outrageous expense from here on out? These are a piece of the requests going through your mind. To be sure, you will find all of the reactions here. The present ELROND cost a day is 44.18. With a 24-hour trading volume of 90,508,016. ELROND is down 113 at this point. The continuous CAN market cap situating is 44, with a live market cap of 990,159,901. It has a streaming store of 22,414,145 egld coins and a greatest stockpile of 31,415,926. Egld coins. What is ELROND came into the crypto market out and out, influencing the blockchain stage blockchain advancement, and affects what number things are done today. It engages a striking development from the regular procedure for making financial trades, and is as of now the go-to system for even a couple gave preservationists in the money-related world, who one time preferred genuine money in making trades. ELROND has taken the decentralized cash structure related with blockchain to a more critical level. In cryptoness, ELROND blockchain is assessed as establishing the standard of being the first blockchain in the world, with a genuine state sharding plan for realistic flexibility, discarding energy and computational waste, while ensuring spread conventionality through a safeguarded affirmation of stake SPOS arrangement. ELROND's genuine limit at this point. ELROND egld has recorded a surrounding supply of 19,511,530 egld, and the market capitalization of ELROND has reached 393,606,676,656. The ELROND network was energized by the ERD token, making it the ensuing symbolic shipped off on the Binance stage. ELROND has left an engraving in the characters of monetary patrons and vendors, as it has dealt with a part of the issues they have been searching in the crypto market. For instance, monetary supporters have been stressed over the speed of trades. Everyone has been requiring something better. Besides, without a doubt, there have been mechanical progressions, offering various astonishing courses of action that would be valuable. ELROND is one of them. In the ELROND Association, the speed of trades is remarkably further developed by friendly event, trade-related data, freely from different information in the block. This effect is one immense progress in crypto trading, as it makes trades faster. Legitimizations for why ELROND is a wise hypothesis. Security. ELROND has a first worry for security. The association is attempted to go against the security gives that have been a reason for pressure to monetary sponsor merchants and fans. A similar, for instance, the association offers a response for the issue of the Sybil attack. Trading with the neighborhood money of the association. Egld is secure and speedy. This quality has attracted people to the money. Straightforwardness. Trades in the structure are straightforward and speedy, as well as clear in each trading space. Straightforwardness is central, with the dependability and straightforwardness that the association sports. A statement will draw trained professionals and sweethearts. Monetary development. ELROND has been connected with fast financial development. Progression is one variable that speeds up progress, And ELROND has it. The stage offers clients borderless and available trades decisions. The ELROND wallet is really exceptional out there, you don't need to take. Agree proceeding making trades even on an overall level. It is one association adding to the improvement of the web economy. Egld has an impressive future. Looking at the results, Egld is finishing the table. The way things are doing, ELROND Gold, the farewell of ELROND Mainnet, its capacity to achieve more. And the destiny of the money, given the assumption Egld has a spot from here onward. The fervor that has entered this cutting-edge asset isn't presumably going to pass on soon. It passes regard, which matters generally on over, including the computerized cash space. It wants to analyze the value of Bitcoin Cash. After reliable and speedy progression, ELROND has tracked down favor in seeing monetary benefactors because of its general computation of ELROND and its security going by the ELROND gauge given by experts, the market cap, trading volume and alternate points of view. It is certain that the expense will deal with after a short time. Crypto trade requires assurance consequently close to the ELROND cost figure. Do cautious homework preceding monetary preparation as an agent. ELROND esteem history preceding buying ELROND or selling ELROND. You should know its previous expense data. ELROND has reliably done well since it showed up on the location of computerized monetary forms in 2017. It performed incredibly, and in 2018 the expense went up and there was a correction in 2018. This drowsy improvement happened until Egld came prepared and got a positive change 2019. This Egld token entered a notable exchange 2020. It made extraordinary progress and had not been relegated to a disaster. Since the present ELROND cost assessment shows mostly pessimistic advancement, watching out, and the market moves towards a positive bearing, raising the expense of Egld today on June 14, 2022. The expense has been experiencing significant solid areas for making the expense of Egld move more than the 45 imprint, other than the cryptographic cash shows potential increase potential and is chasing after an upward heading. ELROND 4-hour cost assessment revealed the market is seeking after a bullish course. Nevertheless, the market unconventionality decreases, compelling the deterrent and the assistance to move towards each other, making the cryptographic funds cost less lean to unsteadiness changes. The Egldist esteem appears apparently to move